Hello friends, welcome in own teacher channel, class 9th English. In this video, we will see the workshop of 4.5, the last lesson. So let's start. Workshop. Question number 1. Find the meaning of the following words from a good dictionary. Sawmill, a factory where wood is cut with machinery. Prussian, German inhabitant of Prussia. Apprentice, a person who learns some skill needed in his or her job. Nuisance, annoyance. Cranky, irritable. Hold fast to something. To possess something firmly despite of any difficulties. At one stroke with a single immediate action. Might, strength. Question 2. List the people and their occupations mentioned in the story. Little Franz, student, narrator. M. Hamel, teacher. Watcher, blacksmith. Classmates, students studying in the same class. Prussians, soldiers. Villagers, former mayor, former postmaster. Question 3. Find 5 words ending with ing and 5 words ending with ed form the lesson. Ending with ing, fluttering, writing, scratching, choking and returning. Ending with ed, dismissed, turned, looked, leaned and stopped. Question 4. Find 5 examples of commonly used past participles from the story. For example, said, learned. Got, saw, wore, came, put, knew and forgot. Question 5. What is the meaning of the following words and phrase in the passage? Choose the correct alternative. Dash was in great dread of. 4 options. The correct option is was afraid of. Dash did not know the first word about them. The correct answer is did not know anything about them. Terrible iron ruler. Correct answer is ruler with which the master hit the student hard. Got a little over my fright. Correct answer is got less frightened. What a thunderclap these words were to me. The answer is the words came as a shock. She put off learning tomorrow. The correct answer, she did not learn at that time. Question 6. Fill in the following blanks using proper words from who, when, what, how or why. A. She started jumping for joy when she heard the news. You must tell why I must not do it. The person who is making the speech is my friend. D. They wondered what had happened to him. E. You must show me how to make the solution. F. I will tell you when it is time to leave. Question 7. Write a short note on your mother tongue and the attempts you make to study it well. My mother tongue is Marathi. It is spoken all over Maharashtra. It is the most beautiful language in India. The moment when I heard the first Marathi word, I have been learning this language till today. I learned this language from my parents, neighbors, and my teachers. Marathi is rich in its literature. I improve my vocabulary by reading newspapers, magazines, and listening Marathi news. I learned this language from my surrounding. Question 8. Write points and counterpoints on the following topics. 1. You should study all subjects in your mother tongue. या ठिकाणी आपणास विरोधी मुद्दे लिहायचे आहेत, जसे की वादविवाद या स्पर्धेमध्ये असतात त्याप्रमाणे. You should study all subjects in your मराठी टंग, मदर टंग. आपल्या मातृभाषेमध्येच सर्व विषयांचा अभ्यास करायला हवा. याबद्दल पॉइंट्स पाहूया. Language is a symbol that reflects the culture of one's community. Mother tongue can create a sense of personal identity. Number 2. Sometimes students don't understand instructions given by teachers in English. That time they lose their confidence. Now we will see counterpoints. 1. India is a country with too many languages. Hindi is national language and English is an international language. It is connecting the whole India. 2. If the instructions are given in mother tongue, then the question arises, how will they cope up with English later on? The educationalists and policy makers need to give it a thought. You must memorize the rules of grammar. व्याकरणाचे जे नियम आहेत ते आपण लक्षात ठेवायलाच हवे. याबद्दल पॉइंट्स आणि काउंटर पॉइंट्स आपण पाहूया. We need to learn the rules and regulations of grammar as it is fundamental organizing principle of language. We cannot communicate without language. 2. It has been observed that the grammar rule lead to better learning and understanding. Counterpoints. An educated person knows to read and write. Anyone who knows to read and write knows grammar. It is a part of learning a language. Why to take it up as a separate thing to learn? Number 2. Language is a means of communication. People have been communicating with each other for ages. Functional grammar is still acceptable, but learning rule is waste of time. Question 9. Why was Franz sad? When Franz came to know that M. Hamel was leaving, he realized that he had not learned a single word of French, his own language, and now they will start teaching German. He was also sad thinking about the condition of M. Hamel, who was leaving the school after 40 years of faithful service. Question 10. What should people never lose, even when they lose freedom? Even when the people lose their freedom, they should not lose their own language. So, thanks for watching this video. Again, if you have any problem regarding this video, so don't forget to comment me. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed to get the notification of new video.